Get excited about the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.